everyone. How do you write a letter to the universe? And what do you write? What do you want in your life? This is a very, very, very important question. And so what do you really want in your life? Have you ever thought about that? Make a list of the things what do you want and then write a letter to the universe. You start with writing, Dear Universe or Dearest Universe, whatever you feel like. I always start with writing, My Dearest Universe. That is very, very important to show your love to the universe. If you were going to get a letter, something like that, how would you feel? You would be overjoyed, isn't it? Because somebody is saying, my dearest. And that always brings you into a high energy level, high vibration. So start with writing, My Dearest Universe. And then you write as if you are writing to a friend. I'm so thankful that you have given me guidance throughout my life, always supporting me. You are the kindest, you are the sweetest. And then write all these nice things which you want to hear from someone else. So I am blessed that you are always there in my life. And then you write whatever you want from the universe. If you want more money, you write, I'm so thankful and grateful that universe, you have given me abundance of money in my life. And because of the abundance of money in my life, I have such a lovely house. I have a beautiful family. I have everything I want in my life. I'm so thankful and grateful. So you write everything that you want in your life. If you want good health, then write, I'm so thankful and grateful, universe. You have given me the perfect health and I am so thankful and grateful now that I have a healthy and strong body, mind and soul. And if you want a perfect relationship, then you write, I'm so thankful and grateful, universe, that you have given me a perfect relationship. All these things. Or if you want money, then you write, oh, I'm so thankful and grateful. I have abundance of money in my life. I can help many others, and through this money, I can live a luxurious life and a comfortable and easy life. Thank you so much for giving me such an abundant life. In this manner, you can write a letter to the universe and you can get all the abundance, good relationship, good friendship, good health, wealth, abundance, success, job, career, whatever you want in your life. But always remember, you have to be very grateful about the things what you are gonna get. So you have to trick your subconscious mind that you already possess all these things what you want in the life. So that is why it's very, very important to write the letter in a present tense. And then you have to show the gratitude to the universe. And you have to feel when you are reading this letter, every night before you go to bed, read this letter, what you have written to the universe, visualize it and be very thankful and grateful and feel that it is already there. You already have all this abundance, all these things what you want in your life. So that feel and that visualization makes your subconscious mind, and it tricks your subconscious mind to believe that you already have this. And the subconscious mind along with the universe starts to create the things what you want in your life in your 3D reality. That is what is all about writing a letter to the universe. If you want money, write a letter to the money. So begin with your dearest money. And then you start with like, because of you, I'm living a luxurious life. Because of you, I have a comfortable, easy and effortless life. I really, really love you. You're always there with me and you have come into my life and you are staying with me. I love you so much dearly. So you write and appreciate the money what you have. When you appreciate the money comes to you and it wants to stay with you. As if like, you are talking to a friend. So make money as your, so when you talk to a friend or when you write a letter to your friend, you always, admire them and how happy you are because of them. So you always say good things, isn't it? So now money is your friend. So make money happy, and money is your friend. Let money know how happy you are and how grateful you are that money is with. Talk to the money as if that is the important thing in your life, and then money is all that you want and how happy you are because this money is with you. Show the money that you are so thankful and so grateful. Show the respect and appreciate, so the money will always stay with you and will always love you. So writing a letter to the universe, writing a letter to the money will always bring you more abundance in your life, more success in your life, and you will lead a very happy, abundant, healthy, wealthy, successful life. So try this method and see how it works. It works like magic in your life. So be ready to accept the magic, because it's very important. When you ask something, you always have to believe in it and always be ready to receive it as well. So it's very important to receive it. So you create the magic in your life just by writing the letter. And it's very important to write using a pen and a book or a paper. All the 5 senses along with the feel, this will definitely manifest in your life. So that is why it's very important to write it physically, not on the computer, not on the phone, not on the iPad or any gadget. So please make sure that you use a pen and a paper to write it, or a book. So any pen would do, any book would do, doesn't matter which color pen you are using. So blue color is a universal color, so you can use blue color and see the magic how you create in your life. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye everyone.